So we're here at somebody's house and they wanted to repair their concrete. They wanted to fix these stains and just this hard look and give it more of a softer finish, and there was just nothing on the internet that told them how to do it, he told me. And then he found a guy that said sandblasting, and I said, well, of course, but I'm a sandblaster, so I know that. And he couldn't find that out. But now we got him a nice finish. We're gonna do all this. We're gonna do his pool coping, and it's gonna look amazing. So if you're looking for a way to repair your concrete, take this ugly, hard looking stains out, take the white effervescence off, maybe it's old, maybe it's new, you know, got some water stains, sandblasting is definitely a great way to repair your concrete. You can make that right there look so nice and soft. You see how hard that looks? Looks very industrial and hard looking. There's just no, it's actually a pretty rough finish. I know my hands are dirty, aren't they? Sandblaster's hands. But anyways, it's a rough finish. Got this wind kicking up. Here's a little area we did a sample. Gave it a nice finish. Now this is soft. This isn't, this kind of just cleans your hands. This is rough. So here's before and here's after. This is sandblasted. This is just raw concrete, nothing on it. Okay? These are the sides of the steps, so of course they don't look always that great anyways. But this top should look really nice. It's a really nice texture. That one's undone. These are all done. So there's a little educational on how to repair your concrete, whether it's new, old, ugly, dirty, whatever. Sandblasting does clean up a lot of those ugly areas. It does remove some thin sealers. Definitely doesn't take super thick paint off that well, but this will look really nice. Let me show you this other piece and we'll get out of here. Look at how nice and soft that looks compared to that over there. I think they're going to be really happy. You see that stain right there starts to bleed out. Over time this will even get more even. It's a nice finish. I'll give you a second to look at it. Non-skid. This is definitely not slippery. This is a little slick when it gets wet. So no, the cracks aren't going away. You're still gonna see them. They're in there. So anyways, that's it, guys. You can repair your concrete with sandblasting. Thanks for watching.